Facebook ads course with AI. In this we've seen how to create a Facebook account. Now in this video we're going to learn how we can set up our profile. So friends, if you haven't set up your profile or haven't created it correctly, then your Facebook account is sort of unfinished. I mean to say it's incomplete. Is that clear? So that's why it is very important to set up your Facebook profile in a proper manner. And in the future, if any issues come up with your account, like if it gets hacked or there is any security issue, then if your profile was set up correctly, you can easily identify it and get your ID and stuffs verified, right? And you can recover it. But if you've left lot of things incomplete in your account and didn't set it up right, like your mobile number or email ID are not correct, or you don't have your passwords, you haven't configured the settings, or you haven't set up two-step verification, then there'll be problem. There's no problem when account is new, but when your business starts depending on it and you're running a lot of ads through it, and then suddenly you realize that I don't have access to my account anymore, then there's a problem. So it's really important to learn and understand every setting, account creation process in proper way. Every little thing matters, whether it's small or big. Okay. So to set up the profile, look, our account was already created, right? But over here, we can either click on edit profile. Okay. By clicking on edit profile, we can add our images, data and other things in our profile. Or the simpler way is when you create your account. And here we have cover page, photo. And if you look below, you'll see all the details that we're going to update to set up our profile. So first thing that I will do here is that I will choose profile photo. Okay. So let's just select that. Okay. We'll upload it. Let's crop it for now. I'm just making a dummy profile to show you how it's done. All right. But make sure that the photo that you're selecting is perfectly clear and visible. So you need to remember this. Just drag it like this. All right. Then we'll save it. So make sure that your photo is nice and clear. Use good profile photo because a good picture will draw more attention towards your profile. They'll accept your requests and you'll get more requests. Okay. Now let's add a cover photo. We'll upload a cover photo. So for the cover photo, I'll also just pick an image for now. All right. So I will use this image here. Whenever you upload a profile photo or anything else, make sure you check its correct size and its dimension ratio. Check everything carefully before you do it. Then we'll save the changes. So you can see the first look of our Facebook profile is right here. Now friends, next I need to add a bio here. So you have to write about yourself. You'll write about yourself, not about the company. This is your bio for your profile. Got it? So friends, for now only, I'll just use some dummy text for Hitesh Gupta. I'll write a bit about what I do. Okay, I've copied it. Then we'll go here. I am. And I've pasted it. So I've written a bio about myself like I'm Hitesh Gupta, marketing expert. It's a simple bio. All right. We need to make the bio a little shorter. So we'll shorten till here. Okay. So now for my bio, all right. So for that, I'm going to click on add bio here. And I'll just write a few lines here for now. I am Hitesh Gupta, founder of Marketing Fundas Private Limited. And 16 plus years of marketing. I've written a few lines in bio for dummy purpose for now, so even you can write in this. And you have to write something good in few lines. And whatever you add, make sure you keep saving it. Now edit details. So when you'll come here, you'll find options for pronouns, work, education, city, hometown, relationship, like are you single or married, your websites, social links. So whatever details you have, just keep adding them here. I hope this much is clear to all. So over here, for contact info, I'll either keep same number, or if I want to add another, I can do that also. But I'll add same number. If I want to add my website, then I can go here and add the link of my website. And if I need to add any other links like social media links, I can add them here, like for my YouTube channel, Instagram, or anything else. Alright, so after adding these links and all the other basic information, then over here, if I want to share something more about myself, like my favorite sports person, or if I want to share any other details, then I can add all of that here, okay? And whatever changes I'm making, I'll keep saving them. So make sure you fill in your proper education details. And where do you live? For example, under places lived, you can add your current city. You can put Delhi. See, it is appearing here. We'll save this as well. If your hometown is different, you can add that as well. If you want to add any city, just add the information and keep saving. For contact information, add whatever you need to and save it. If you want to add family relationships, like how many family members you and so on, because people look at these things. Whether I'm married or about my spouse, how many members are in my family, all these things, whatever you're comfortable sharing, you can add it. After you're done, make sure to save it. These are the details about you. If you want to add details like your nickname, your birth name, favorite quotes, then you can add. Also, you can add life events. I'm not adding everything. It's up to you what you want to show in your profile. You can add whatever you're comfortable with. And any information about yourself that you don't want to reveal in public, just don't add it. And add useful information. You can check out other people's profile to see how to build a strong profile and then submit those details. And then save it. Okay, so in this way your profile will be created easily. So it is really very simple to create and set up a profile. Alright. Now you can see here. As we have come here to our Facebook account, so see the account is also ready. And the profile we're looking at for Hitesh Gupta, that's also set up. Now in a similar way moving forward, we are going to create a Facebook page. And after creating that page and checking some important settings, we'll move on to add account creation. So account creation is done, profile setup is done, and now we'll move towards page creation. In the upcoming video, I hope you've also created your profile. If you haven't, please do it now so you can learn Facebook ads properly. Thank you.